Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove copy from file name when saving in Photoshop. First, go to file, then save a copy. Here we see copy when you save. Now we will remove copy when saving. Then go to edit menu, preference to general and shortcut Ctrl K in the keyboard. Choose file handling option, then check do not append copy to file name when saving a copy. Then OK. Go to file, then save a copy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe.